Hey guys, welcome back to Newbeer. I'm Newbeer and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna claim this hive. This is episode 2, by the way. And stuff, because I like cheese. Yeah, and stuff. Okay. Also guys, Ostrons is back in it, and we got ZB and Stubborn Bee. Anyways guys, I think I'm gonna start the video by collecting pollen. Why not? Stuff, yeah. Cheese is delicious. Stuff, yeah. So yeah, stuff. Cheese. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Pollen, yeah. Pollen and stuff like that, pollen. Huh. I wonder where Ostrons is. I haven't seen him. Anyways, I'm just gonna turn my pollen into honey. I don't really know what we should do. What do you say? Quests. Oh. Okay. We can do quests. Yeah, and stuff. Yeah, and stuff. Oh, there's Ostrons. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Do what Ostrod said. Cause yeah and stuff. Anyways, gonna talk to Bee Bear. Oh, then I just gotta go to our task. Complete. I'm doing pretty good. Just collect 1,000 red pollen. That's difficult. Okay, I'm just telling Ostrons that I need to collect 1,000 red pollen. Okay. Cheese. And other cheese. Blue cheese. Well, there's very few red pollen here. Not a lot. I'm just gonna try. Collect as much as I can. Oh, honey. I don't mind getting some honey. So much honey. Yeah. Oh, hi, Ostrons. There's tons of stuff here. What's that? Red pollen? What is that? What is that? Why is there so much stuff spawning? There's a lot of red pollen here. And there's a ladybug right there. Oh, why so much honey is spawning? I don't get it. Yeah, these. There's a royal jelly at the top. I think I want that. But I just really want honey. Really want honey. Honey. Royal jelly. is there so much honey? Anyways, guys, I'm trying to do this parkour to get the royal jelly that's right there. Come on, I can do this. Nope, I fail. Okay, I like honey, but just why is it spawning? I just don't get it. Anyways, gonna try again. Maybe. Okay. Do this. Yes! Royal jelly. Yay! Royal jelly. Yay. That means I need to get a new bee then. There's just so much honey here. Does honey just naturally spawn here? Pollen. Need to empty out my pollen into honey. Where's Stubborn? Oh, there he is. Stubborn and Z. What? Cheese? Poo-poo? Doo-doo. Why? Just honestly, just why? Why was there I just don't get why honey keeps spawning where I am. That part just does not make any sense at all. I'm happy, but why? Just why? Anyways, just gonna continue to make honey. Two amazing little bees here. We got tons of honey. Get me a new egg. Got new royal jelly. I need a new bee egg. Okay. Buy for 2,500 honey? Sure, why not? New egg. Gotta go back. I wonder what kind of bee it's gonna be. I need Ostrods to come and see this. The third bee. There is basic bee. Hatch, yes, basic bee, right there. Royal jelly. It's a bumblebee! Okay. Yay! Woohoo! And stuff like that, because cheese and stuff, so yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, Ostrod said follow, so sure. Why not? Wait. Royal jelly! Oh, so much stuff here. Wait, that means that Ostrods is creating this. Okay. I wonder how he does that. Nice. Wow. There's so much honey! Like, I'm probably just gonna be doing this the entire time. So, I'll see you guys in a bit after I... Hey guys, I'm back. And I got a lot of honey. So I'm heading back to the store with Ostrods. I'm hoping to buy those boots that when you walk on honey, you get honey. I mean, when you walk on pollen, you get honey. So, yeah and stuff. I hope I can afford it. Come on, come on. Can't really afford it. No. Okay. I can't afford it. I Ah! I'm happy, but I just don't get it. Well, I can't afford it, so yeah, and stuff. I can't. Okay, I need more honey. That's what I'm gonna do. Make honey and stuff like that. So, okay, honey. Maybe I just need more honey to buy the boots. That's what I'm thinking. Also, I got 3 royal jellies. Oh, what? Oh, that's amazing. I also have tons of treats, so why don't I just feed my new bee? Yay, he's gonna level up to level 1. Bumblebee. What? I'm not gonna give him all 13. He doesn't even gain a level. Give him 1. No level? Okay. I'm gonna give some more to Bumblebee because now he's leveled up 4. But no. Yeah, I can't do it to that. So, yep. Bumblebee is now level 6. So yeah, and stuff. I just need more pollen. And stuff like that. So yeah, and stuff. Need to get more pollen and some stuff. Need to get more pollen and some stuff, cause stuff. Okay, so getting tons of honey. Wait. What's that? Huh. Cool. Also, I love how my bees are also getting honey. And my container is full, so going to make some honey with the new freebies, woohoo, and stuff like that. Cheese. Okay. Do I have enough? I mean, I should just keep collecting, because why not? Okay. I'm gonna do it in this field. I still understand how people get on. Where? Wait. I wonder where Ostrow's is actually. I don't know. Huh. Anyways. Need honey. Woohoo! Yeah! Stuff. Where is Ostrow's? I haven't seen him. Oh, what if I'm in this field? No. Ladybug. No, thank you. Wait. Zeebee, no! Zeebee! He's collecting honey from there! Go, Zeebee! Where's that Zeebee? Bumblebee and Zeebee look the exact same, but I think that's Zeebee. Yeah, that's Zeebee. I hope after this I have enough. Wait, no. Are those like the top people in the game? Huh. Okay. Oh, you've done it. Okay. Cool! Teacher Bee's new abilities. need to do stuff. Equip case. It's right there. Oh, okay. Got bees there. Yay! Reading codes. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna head to the shop to see if I have enough honey to do this. Okay. Cross my fingers. What? Craft item. What does that mean? Huh? Oh, I just did it. Wait. 3 seeds and 3 blue. Oh! The sunflower seeds. Oh, it took those away from me to build that. I get it. Oh, these look so cool. I'm gonna tell Oshtrots. Yay! I'm gonna tell Oshtrots and some stuff. And stuff like that. Wait, what? He's not in the game? Why is he not in the game? He just left on me? Oh. Do they work? Oh, wait. I don't have them equipped. They just don't work, I guess. Huh. Wait. Oh, wait. I think I just figured out something. My pollen case is full. Oh, I just need to empty it out and then I'm good. Okay. I hope it works after I empty it out. Okay. Come on. Do it fast. Go bee, do it fast. Other stuff, cause I like cheese. Do it fast. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, well, okay. Another drop of stuff just came in for some reason. Why does this do this? I mean, I'm happy, but I just don't get it. I'm getting so much stuff, it's unbelievable. Wow. They do work! Woohoo! They work! That's amazing! They really work. That's awesome. That is awesome. Well, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end up the video here.